friends, today I'm going to show you what sold in the month of August in my stores, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I do a fashion reselling in there, shoes, accessories, and clothing. So these items that I will show you, it will include a lot of things. At the end, I'm going to show you the best brand, one brand that I love to reselling. I've been reselling since 2019, and you will be surprised which brands that it is. So let's go to the video.
I'm going to show you here the report for August in eBay from the August 1st to August 31. As you can see, I made $3,505. It wasn't that much, it was 40% down for the previous month, but the average sale price it was 6% more. So that means a little bit more profit, and I'm going to show you in the next. So in Poshmark, I make $1,486, and as you can see in here, in the total in my P&L, I make $5,212 for the month of August. That is a total of profits in here before any um, expenses that are making all the time every month. It was 1,939. So as you can see, even there in July, I make $6,300. I make less profit, and that is amazing because with less work, less items, too cheap, and I make more money. So that's what I am looking. So the big numbers doesn't mean a lot to me if that profit it would be in there, you know, very little. So in this case, it was really good. Compare with June, in June I made $7,000. It was amazing. So compared with June, it was $2,500. So 400 difference, but $2,000 more. So that means I make more sales. I know I made $400 more, but I put more work in June, and compared to the profits, total profits, I take more August than June. So as you can see, I have really good months in summer, which is weird, but in another video I'm going to show you why. And August is more like it will be like the other month, January to May, and August, September, and I expected to do October, November, December, a little bit more. Part I don't including here is the August, the total, the rest of compare eBay and Poshmark, the rest is Mercari. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. So it's a good income if you think about it. It's $1,900. I can pay three bills, you know, one or two or three bills depending, because at the end, after all the expenses, it's $1,339, which is amazing, and I am taking them. So, well, I'm going to show you the best item.
Before that we continue the video, a quote for my favorite book, and here I hope that brights your day.
So the first item is this vintage 90s acceleration platform chunky heels and the size of 10. And the keyword that I add in there are platforms, chunky, and J2K. So acceleration have a really good items to be on the lookout. This is more base style, and this sold for $45 in Poshmark. Amazing. I always be in the lookout. This trend have been in there since 2021, around there. Yeah. The next item is this Lily Pulitzer. Lily Pulitzer, it's one of my best brands. I love to find them. I love to invest in the brand because they always sell good, and especially the dresses, and they are multi-floral, multicolor, vibrant colors. All those are selling really well. They sold for $55 in Poshmark, really good. I always going to be on the lookout for that brand, definitely. So this king and this style, the Flint 2, is one brand and one style that I've been reselling since 2019. This is one of them, and this sold for $59. Really healthy profits in there, and I always going to pick it out. Those this with the free people. This is the Lotus jeans. This is a really cool jean. It comes here like a barrel, that barrel looking the people, you know, they are in trend pretty much, and this is go as a flare as well, so you can tie them here. This is a really multi style pants. So this person get a really good deal. They sold for $60 and sold for and then sold in only 3 days. Really, really fast sale in there. Some items of the free people. Actually, I have a really good look to reselling thing, and I am always happy to find them. And of course, I do some counts, but the majority of them have been reselling, and I have 75% set rate in the free people items. So I try to pick it up all the time if they are, in trend, or if they have floral, multicolors, really good patterns, I will pick it up. So this is a style base. This is a maxi mid skirt. Is in the size extra large, and the keywords in here for because this is a base style item is tire. I hope they pronunciate that good. Floral, boho, paisley, ruffle, velvet, J2K. It's a lot of keywords in there that I use. And this all for $40. And as you know, this is a really healthy profits and there because I do the transfer money all the way until all of them, all my items have been completed. So I transfer, and it's $2 the transfer. That's it. I love to resell at Mercari. I'm always putting items in there to see if they resell, and I love to find items like this that's selling for good price. This is another style base. Lauren Ruff, Lauren Blazer, wool, preppy, Megan USA had the crest in there. It's a keyword that is missing in here, and I will add in there crest. And as you can see, this is the best part of this. It have a flat, that's the reason that I didn't resell for more, but I have a crest in here, as you can see, this part. So this sold for $64. So it's pretty much $63 transfer to my account, and it's around almost $59 profit. I think I pay only $4 for that, so you can make the math on there. Really amazing sale. I love those sales.
Friends, if you are new here, my name is Cynthia Amons, and I run a six-figure business between all the platforms Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I've been reselling since 2019, and this channel I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, how I can do different platforms at the same time. If you like any kind of video of that, please consider subscribing.
Now we're going to eBay. And eBay, we have this Allegria ankle booties, and this is the Katie Deluxe. And this is a vintage style. I found that this is a flea market for only $2. It was amazing, amazing find in there. Allegria is one of my favorite brands to resell as well. I've been reselling for a long, long time. Look, the brand Allegria Dansko and the one they're going to show you at the end. This sold for $39.99 plus $12.90 shipping. Really good item though. Then this sold in one day. This is a Colham Oxford, and this is a neat sneakers. And neat sneakers are very in trend, but they are very comfortable. And this is the 0 grand. This sold for $49.99 plus $9.99 shipping. Really amazing sale just for one day. Amazing. I definitely will pick it up again, even that the color is very different, but amazing. Amazing sale.
So let me tell you a secret. I am sorry. I want to apologize with you because I haven't doing videos that often, and that reason is because My son always coming, and every year he's coming in, in the summertime, and he's not living with me, so I have a few months to just be with him and share with him. And sometimes I am no good prepared because my primary income comes from reselling, and that's my priority. I love to connect with you. I love to make videos for you, and I love to try to teaching how I doing this business and how I can provide income for my home from the home. With no a 9 to 5, it's a lot of work, and I never will tell you that this is easy, but I know that you can do it if you put your mind into it. I want to appreciate because we are 1,000 subscribers. That's amazing. You cannot imagine what's that mean to me because, as you know, English is not my first language. And I learned this 10 years ago when I came to the country. And I still learning. I didn't went to the school to learn the language. I learned in different ways. I learned my work, and I learned in my spare time. And so my grammar is not that good, but I'm trying. And the reason that I'm doing this channel in English and not in Spanish is because something that I want to prove for myself. It's a goal. I never expect that I will get to 1,000 subscribers, and all of that is thanks to you. You're amazing, and I appreciate you. And I hope that you continuing to subscribe, to share this channel, to show more people like me. I am a legal immigrant who came to this country, and I had success doing this reselling business, even with the limited of grammar or all the information they have in the language. And that's amazing. So if you are seeing more people just like me, please consider share this video or any other video on my channel so they can see that they can do it as well.
I've been trying to learning a little bit more because I answering for a lot, bases where I live, and this is massive. This is the brand that I will definitely memorize every time that you find massive. This is a really good, sale in here. This sold in around 1 week and a half for $49.99 plus $12.90 shipping. So this is the flame resistant, camo, and it's many people I think they are buying these kind of items, not just military. So I will definitely be on the lookout for those. This is one of my favorite brands to resell as well. This is Habitat. This is a dress. It's a lining dress and really good. It's sold for $30 plus shipping. So I add in there, it's not the 40 total, but add in there because as if you know, this is the brand. I have really good luck with reselling those items. And I know the price of this wasn't that high. I probably will wait a little bit more. I will make $49. But this customer really want this item because it was back and forth. He, the person even text me, sending a message to see if we can negotiate. So I decided to let it go because, it was just around a week in there, but he was very insistent person. So I decided to let it go and make that profit. I only paid $5 for it. So this is another brand and another style that will be in the lookout in the fabric, organic lining. This is a maxi dress, a lean feature, and have a lot in there. Even there is a plain color, solid color. It was a plus size and it was organic lining and it was maxi dress. A lot of things goes in there. And I sold it for 59.99, the full price for plus 7.90 shipping. And really amazing sale. If you don't know about this is the brand Eileen Fisher, and there is the organic lining usually will say in there in the fabric. So really cool. Levi's, I love this sale. This sold and only 4 days. So this offer my full asking price, $89.99 plus $12.90. This is a Levi's and Nice, a kimono, kind of relaxed denim, cardigan, jacket. This is a short jacket. It's these styles in here. If you find it, all what is short utility kind of cardigans. I see the shipping since 2023 and trend. So I actually create a guide for the Carhartt for really good items. We should be on the lookout. They are reselling for really good price. If you are interested to know about more about that, please let me know in the comments so we can figure out in there how I can give you that guide. And I put a lot of work into it, but I love it because all the time I found Carhartt, I go to my guide. So this is a really amazing sale. This all for my full asking price. This all only in 2 days, and this is Lauren Ralph Lauren, and it's just a medium cardigan, but it have cashmere and wool, and it have really good pattern. We should be on the lookout for this pattern. Really amazing and really good condition, no holes. So amazing, amazing. I could have sell it for more, but for the days and the profits in there, amazing, amazing sale. And these are the last two items that I'm going to show you are my favorite brands to resell. So this is the Fry boots. And Fry is a brand that always are on the lookout. It's my number one reselling brand in eBay and Poshmark as well. So if you find a brand like that is selling in your store really well, I believe I will recommend to you that you keep in trying to find those items, even if it's in Facebook Marketplace, if it is in the same platforms, because some people don't know about the styles that are reselling good. So I paid for this only $2.99. It's sold for $139, guys. $139 plus $12.99 shipping. The bad part of this have been returned to my store, so I increased a little bit more in the price, but sold really fast. And I am pretty sure they will resell again. The person said they didn't fit, so I am fine with that, and I am not losing that much money in there because the shipping price. I have a little caution in case that got returned returns like that. So it will help me a little bit so I don't lose money. So in this case, Fry is one of my favorite brands to resell. And this style in fries, what is Billy, are reselling really fast. So this one resell for lower. I have a offer. Somebody sent me an offer for $85, and I accepted because I could have waited a little bit more because Fry is a really good brand to resell in the hundreds. Could have wait a little bit, but in that time I didn't have that much sales, so I just decided to say, yeah, I will let it go. But Fry, be on the lookout for Fry, especially for those styles. I'm going to do a deep dive about Fry and what brands and what styles to be on the lookout. And stay tuned for that kind of information because it's coming soon. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And yeah,
Thank you for stay until the end. You to think that you will like any of these videos and until the next video. Blessings and bye.